Hi, my cuticle cuties. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video, we will be doing a marble ombre look. And with Valentine approaching, we're going to use the colors pink, red, and white with a nude for the ombre look. Let's get straight into the video. Don't forget, we always prime before we start. And even though this is a mannequin hand, I'm going to show you, we only going to prime the nail part. Not the artificial, just your nail plate. Follow the instructions for the particular brand primer you're using. For this one, they recommend you to put it on twice, meaning do this to all fingers and then come back over and do it like such. By the time you do the other hand, the first hand will be dry. I'll have the links to the colors that I'm using in the description box, okay? And if you're interested in purchasing, you can purchase it from Amazon in the link. I'll show you a couple of different methods. I go in with a wet bead with all three colors what I'm using. And with this, guys, you don't have to be as neat. But what I tell you automatically, I put too much red. But as you can see, I didn't have to do much work. Let's move on to the next finger. This is the second version I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna grab a little bit white and I'm gonna place it right there, and then I'm just gonna just swerve it. And I needed some white, so I went back in and I grabbed a little bit white. So let me just show you, there's no particular way. And with the wetter bead, pick up a little bit white, a little bit red, place it right there. Go back in and grab your little pink, put it in there. And let me show you what happens if you get too much color. If you get too much color, like we don't have enough pink and white. So I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of white, a little bit of pink. And just like that. Find a method that works for you. There is no right or wrong way to do a marble, as you can see. White, a little bit of red, a little bit of pink. I'm out of camera range, but I left this clip in because I just wanted y'all to see the movement of the brush in my hand. Just swivel, 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 and there you have it. And trust your process. You have a nice marble. Now let me show you how I'll do this ombre. Put that first one right there, blend it out. And just blend. A smaller bead right under the cuticle, walk it up, and then blend. Place it right underneath the cuticle. Take the top of your brush, walk it to the cuticle, Make sure your side walls are covered, and then sweep it down. Don't forget to like this video, and if you have any comments, leave them in the comment section. You know I'll be checking them periodically. I'll just continue to ombre the rest of the nails. And I need a little bit more product, so you'll see me add a small bead here and blend it in. You guys, don't forget, every Monday and Wednesday at 7 p.m. Central Standard Time, I have a premiere. Now we're going to do the final step to applying the nail, and that is the encapsulation. Because as you can see, this nail is very thin. It just have the actual design here. So it don't have an apex or anything. All right, so y'all can see where I didn't start one here. I didn't start it right there, so I'm going to take a small bead right under the cuticle. I walked it up, and then I'm petting it down. Look how cute. And let's go in again with the large bead. I want you to notice how each nail I'm using a different method. Now I took this large bead and I started all the way from the cuticle area, and I am walking it all the way down. What I am doing is showing you, get comfortable and find a way that works best for you. Now I need a little more acrylic at the bottom area, so I'll just apply it here. So as you can see, that one was short. I don't have enough coverage there. Place the other one right there. Walk it up to the cuticle. Make it flush. So this is what we got so far. Let's clean these nails up. So we're just gonna file right now, just to make sure we keep our shape. All right, so this is how they look once they have been all filed up. I'll be using my McCart electric drill. I'll have that link pinned in the description as well. Now when we go over with the drill, we just making sure that everything is balanced. Buff all the nails. Okay, this is the look before the clear coat. You can't see it much, but you know once you put the clear coat on, you get to see the bigger picture. I'm gonna add some hearts to it. If I can backtrack where I got these stickers from, I will have it pinned in the description. So before we put our top coat on, we want to make sure that we have everything pressed down firmly. I will be using Beetle's top coat. I highly recommend this. The shine lasts for weeks. I'll have that pinned in the description as well, and you can find it from Amazon. Very affordable and lasts for weeks. When I use stickers, I always apply the first coat, let it cure, and then come back with a second coat of 2 coats of top coat when I have a sticker. Look at the outcome. This is a beautiful set. You can do it with the hearts or without the hearts. And guys, you see, there was no right or wrong way to do a marble. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, don't forget to leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video. And if you are not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. That's all I have for you guys today. See you in my next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.